Hi, Gemini. Welcome to your reading. Gemini. You are exceeding my expectations, no? So, kayo na naman ang nanalo. As promised, so this is an in-depth reading, no? So, medyo kumuha na kayo ng chichirya, ng tubig, no? I cannot promise na sobrang tagal, pero we will gonna go in depth with your reading. So this is for your July the 8th to July the 10th reading. So, Gemini, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So, kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Pabaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So, nagla-live din po tayo doon at doon lang po nagla-live. Madalas, well, sometimes sa TikTok, pero sobrang bihira, no? So, pwede po kayong sumali sa live sessions at magtanong, no? Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo dito magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Gemini, eto na tayo. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Gemini. Parang nagfa-fluctuate itong relationship natin, no? So parang hindi rin natin alam kung saan ito papunta. Hindi natin mahal yung person. In fact, there's actually emotion, love. But it kind of make me feel that somewhat the course of your relationship para siyang nag in out, on off, no? So parang either ikaw ang nababago din, the way how you feel in the connection. It could be, from love na haluan ng fear, no? You're also seeing changes with your person from sweetness to becoming a little cold, no? Somewhat, siguro naiisip mo, you wanted to para magpa-miss siguro. Wow, the page of staves. For a few numbers of you, baka tinigil nyo itong pag-post with a page of swords. So it kind of make me feel like tinigil nyo itong pag-post. Parang may mga plans yata kayo na either going out of town, out of the country, or plans to go on a movie date. All these schedules are being paused as of the moment. Wow. Kung meron kayong out of town plans, it felt like it's still going to happen, pero not on the date, na parang pinaplanin nyo. With the Hierophant and the Eight of Vessels. Are you losing the enthusiasm, that the plans are going to happen? Kumbaga, you're not praying, for the situation or the event not to happen, but somewhat medyo sinasabi mo parang mukhang malabo. This could be the plan of, again, going out or having, a moment with your person, or the connection itself. Bakit parang feeling mo or you are discovering na medyo parang pinapasakay ako ni person, may gusto ba itong kunin sa akin, hilingin. I think like promises lang, no? Promise lang ng promise, pero hindi naman nangyayari or lagi nga may schedule. So medyo either nakapagsalita tayo or gusto na natin magsalita, to confront ang person natin. So, with the King of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles. Ha! So, it kind of make me feel na parang meron ditong nagalaw ko. If we're talking about funds, no? Nagalaw ko yung funds. Um, pero I feel like there's actually a lie in here. Siguro nagalaw niya to use in a different way. Or kung hindi naman ito yung funds, bakit yung attention niya is napupunta sa ibang bagay? Ah, siguro you're questioning here, mahal pa ba ako ni person? Kasi you're seeing some changes. Again, this is what's really happening right now. But let's see here the foreseeable outcome. With the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords and the King of Swords are aligned. So I feel like it's actually time for Gemini to somewhat speak up. You may be or you need to get a little cutthroat, but you have to speak your truths. No, not in a pabalang way. No, you can still say things, no, na medyo sabihin natin may diin pero hindi bastos, no. Ah, I think we need to reiterate the meaning or the sense of what we do want to say to our person rather than to express our emotion, no. Um, we have to be more logical when it comes to expressing these words. Klaro, ito yung gusto ko, no, na itanong or ito yung mga gusto kong sabihin, pero in a tone na hindi siya pasigaw. Catch the drift. Uh, with the Six of Pentacles and the Justice card. So, meron talagang mga bago na dito kasi these are not in upright position and I feel like nababanggaan na silang dalawa, no? Parang kahit ikaw din, medyo sabihin nating somehow tumatamlay din ang iyong pakikitungo kay person. Hold up. Don't worry, we will go in depth with this. The Wheel of Fortune and the Three of Swords. Let's clarify the Three of Swords kasi there's something in here about abundance. Again, abundance is a very vague, um, word. It can be abundance may also mean literally money, wealth, di ba? Or it may be the affection, the time, the energy, the love, the Nine of Vessels, and the Fool card. Wow, it felt like someone made a mistake in here. And there's a bit of disappointment. Actually, that's the foreseeable outcome. Though, the good thing here, there's still some good thing. So, parang ma-avoid mo kasi you're taking action right now. Hindi mo man ma-save yung buo, pero at least kahit papano, hindi siya nawala. So if we're talking about energetically, let's say baka nag-start na si person maging weak, no? Wag nating ibigay kay person right off the bat yung assumption na siya yung nanlandi, no? Let's say may third party, um, so medyo naging weak si person, tried to entertain, no? So, parang makukuha mo ulit siya or mai-stop mo itong third party situation, no? Let's see. Let's check your innermost uh feeling. Surprise. And it felt like somewhat hindi parang is there something here that you're also probably faking, no? Siguro you have an idea of what is happening, pero pinaparamdam mo sa kanya na kunyari wala akong alam, no? Siguro you are observing, searching for answers already. Siyempre, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, hindi mo naman 'to ipaglalaban kung hindi mo mahal. You are good enough as you are right now. Yung iba sa inyo, no, parang nakita siguro na kung meron ka man nakita, ito pala, real talk 'to ha, hindi naman sa pagbubuhat ng bangko, 'di ba? Ito pala, yung lumalandi sa person ko, hindi naman maganda. Actually, that's real talk. Parang medyo yung confidence mo dito, medyo yung sumipa pa. Diyos ko, kung ito lang pala, no, bakit ako mag-e-effort? Ayan. So kung ito lang pala, itong taong ito, bakit ko panghihinayangan? No? Bakit ko, parang there's no competition in here. Ang sinisave ko lang dito is yung relationship ko. Pero bigla mo naiisip minsan, no, na eh, hindi naman ako ang kawalan. Ako ang catch. No, sorry for the word, pero siguro ito din yung pumapasok sa isip niyo. Ang tanga niya kapag pinili niya yun. No? Uh, smile, smile more, and even more. So, I think somehow it manifested. Let's say, ito yung sinasabi ko baka somehow there's something that you're faking. But I think that it's manifested in your facial expression sometimes, no, yung resting beach face, no. I think that you have either this is assumption, this is a gut feeling, or sabihin natin you really have a few information on this. Pero parang ipinapa somewhat, no, kung ayaw mo man ipaalam, parang gusto mo sabihin kay person, hindi lang ako nagsasalita, but I know something. And it shows in your face, no? You are lucky. So, it kind of make me feel like ito yung expression mo kay person na actually gusto ko na magwala, gusto ko nang sumiga, no? Swerte mo at nakakapagtimpi pa ako, no? Swerte mo, hindi ako katulad ng ibang tao dyan na sige lang ng sige, no? No. So let's see here more cards for you. Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. Influences. Wow. Um, is this or your friends? I feel like lately you have been going out with your friends or at least talking with your friends, if not really going out, no? But it makes me feel na parang there's someone. It could be your mom too. It could be your dad. Someone that you are trusting, and probably you are asking for either help or just to vent out. No. Speaking of vent out, gamitin nyo itong comment section, no? Kasi yun naman ang sabi nila. You can, mas mabuting kausap yung taong hindi mo kilala kasi hindi ka niya i-judge, no? Unlike nung kilala ka, baka isipin pa na ikaw yung may kasalanan, what have you. Hindi sa naguhugas ka ng kamay. Kasi if a person that you don't know, tapos bigla mo siyang kinausap, um, chances are, wala siya talagang alam, hindi para kumuha ka ng simpatya, no? Siguro, makakapagbigay din ito ng relief sa'yo at siguro yung mga advices nito is more on the realness of what you actually mentioned. But make sure na yung kwento mo is totoo, di ba? What I'm trying to say here is use the comment section to vent out. You know, it's a release of your negative feelings. No, um, we're all here to help each other. No, so brothers, sisters, yeah, uh, just just comment out kung ano yung inyong nararamdaman. I feel like you know that there are blockage already with your person and your connection with them. You would love to get an answer on how you can resolve this. Well, wow. It also makes me feel there might be or a reason why things are slowly drifting apart. It could be a real addiction to something, could be some vices, right? Recreational drugs, what have you, or pag-inom, no? Um, Addiction is not just itong mga bagay na ito. Pwedeng nagagalaw yung pera because of toys, no? May mga malalaking tao na, no? Na pwede nang gumawa ng bata at naglalaro pa rin. So, katulad din sa ibang kanya-kanyang trip yan, eh, di ba? Yung iba may bags, no? Ah, wala ko sa cards, o ayan. Diba? May kanya-kanya tayong trip, walang basta ng trip. Ang basag lang dito, kasi savings yun eh. No? I mean, may pinaglalaanan. Ah, bakit ginagamit sa ibang paraan? At ang hindi maganda doon, hindi ko alam. Di ba? Strong affection. So, with all of this, on what's happening with you, Gemini, I feel like masasalba pa talaga natin. No? Parang love will still win. The connection is much greater than all of addiction, blockages, huwag lang sanang sex addiction. But still, no, you can still win your person over if that is the case. Um, the yin is much more greater than the yang. Actually, the yin showed up. The justice card is in here. Medyo kailangan na natin i-tweak. So, what advice should I put up? The sensual cards are actually calling me to pick up at least three cards from here. The Hanged Woman, the Emperor, and the Four of Coins in reverse. Uh, it gives me, let's remove the sexual addiction. Because I feel like kahit gano'n naman si person, no, may delikadesa naman siya. meron naman siyang taste when it comes to, sabihin natin yan, nakikipag-usap ako ng paglandian, pero not to a point, hindi tayo dadating din sa sexual part. Um, if, kung nakikipaglandian man siya, the ano here, the reason is probably, yung manly, yung ego, no, um, that someone is still liking me, yung ganong kababaw, or someone that likes me more than my person, no? Ooh. You know what? I want to use this card for you kasi it somehow gives me um gusto ko kasi talagang malaman yung feeling, no? Um Inner thoughts and feelings mo, no? So kung ganon pala, hold up. So kung ganon pala itong laro mo sa buhay. Nako, feeling ko ako Gemini, hindi ako Gemini, ha? Um, wow, Page of Cups. So, may mga ka-text, either nakikita mong may mga ka-text. For a few numbers of you, baka in separation kayo ngayon, no? I think that this person is bugging you or may nahuhuli ka mga messages na wrong sent. Uy. The High Priestess, so I think it's actually, I'm going to take it as what I am seeing in here. Your intuition is heightened, meron ka mga gut feeling, plus the fact na siguro nanonood ka nga ng tarot reading. So that actually helps. Pero you still have to gauge, ha, that chariot. Oh wow. All pues. Baka yung iba sa inyo iniisip do, itutuloy ko to nang ako lang. Magdusa ka dyan. So ganun pala yan, ha. There's also something in here that, the chariot is not always the travel, but also this is a travel in metaphor or energetic way that we can surpass all this. No, um, let's get some advice in here. Let's get some advice for Cancer. I mean, Gemini. Why did I say Cancer? Kasi in the Chariot, Chariot is actually a Cancer card. When there are questions you need assistance with, go inwards. Sit with yourself, meditate on the question, ask for help, ask for our help also. The spirit guides, your um, soul family, um, then trust your intuition, as most often the answer or guidance will be delivered to you intuitively. We are always with you. If these really resonates with you, whether this is monetary wise or you feel like your person is doing something behind your back, somewhat, um, what are the odds of the universe is giving you hints? No, so take action, but take action in a moderate, peaceful, with respect way. Um, One thing's for sure, masusurpass mo to at mai-end mo prior lumala pa ang sitwasyon, no? So actually this is more of a message rather than a reading, no? Parang sinasabi sa'yo dito, Gems, kinakausap ka, no? Actually, your reading might have a different title, so I'm still thinking of it. But this is your reading, Gemini. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below. If you resonate, hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Gemini, pwede rin po kayong magtanong dito sa video na ito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Gemini, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no, meron po dun link. All you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information, no? And that includes yung how much per question, mode of payment, no, the QR codes, and I created a 4 question plus 1, a discounted price of 5 questions in total. And kung gusto niyo po na mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun po yan, no, sa description box. So Gemini, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste, and see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye.